Hi, this is In the Wild with Chris. I'm out hiking for a couple of hours, and in today's video I thought I'd show you what I always bring along with the purpose of maybe giving you some tips on what you should bring along when you go out in the wild, in the forest. One thing I've found that works for me is to have my stuff easy to get in a couple of bags, so I could just grab them and quickly get out. I mean, after work or when you got some time off. The minimum I bring along is a water bottle, a knife, compass, first aids, my cell phone with a power bank. If I'm going to take a hike that's a few hours, this is what I bring along. I have a backpack. This is a 50-liter backpack, but I also use a 30-liter backpack sometimes. It depends on what I want to bring along and what I feel like doing for the day. This dry sack contains my hygiene kit, my survival kit. I have a flashlight with extra batteries. I have a pamphlet from the Swedish military on survival and 2 emergency protein bars. I have a bag with some extra clothing. I got a wool sweater, some extra socks and gloves, and a Shemagh. And I usually carry a water-resistant windbreaker. And last but not least, my Fikapåse. Everything I need to get a coffee break in the wild. This stuff I bring along will help me get through most situations, and it will help me survive at least 24 hours out in the wild. If you have any tips for yourself, please share them in the comments below. And, well, if you found this video educating or useful or just funny with some guy spreading out his stuff in the middle of the woods, well, give it a like, subscribe, and please share. Well, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.